I want to ask the DOE Secretary kung totoo po na may chance na aabot ng 200 pesos ang cost ng fuel natin, and kung totoo na hindi na bababa ulit below 100 pesos. Is this true?
Mr. Chair, will it go up to 200? Honestly, I don't know, and I don't think anybody knows yet, because like mentioned earlier, there was a pronouncement of a ceasefire, but there are threats going back and forth. Whenever there's a oil infrastructure destroyed in whatever country, the price spikes. Then babagsak na naman, and then suddenly something else happens. So we don't have any visibility of where this will go. And unfortunately, we are so dependent on what's happening there. So, so it could happen, depending on what the two countries do, no? But will it go down to 100? And that's actually what we've been discussing. 20% is from the Middle East, 80% from the rest of the world. Now, if the war stops today, will the 20% be able to deliver? I think it will take some months, because most of the infrastructure, especially LNG, has been destroyed. And I think LNG in Qatar will take 5 years to fix. And then all the other pipelines and all the other infrastructure of Middle East on oil. So although the war will stop, there has been structural change in the industry. So pati yung supply, 80% na lang we can rely on for now. And that is still expensive, no? Why do we get from Middle East, or why does South Korea get from Middle East? Because it's faster and cheaper. So I think the problem will stay longer than the war itself. So if it ever goes back to 100 pesos or below, it will take some time, Mr. Chair. That's my assessment, Mr. Chair.
Ito yung takot ko kasi, Mr. Chair. May kausap akong rider yesterday. Tinanong ko siya, at what price would you stop your job? Lipat ka sa ibang trabaho. Ang sabi niya, pag umabot ng 200 pesos, sabi niya, titigilan na niya ang trabaho niya, lilipat siya sa ibang trabaho. This is a stern warning to all of us na we need to revisit our deregularization law immediately, because we cannot wait until that crisis occurs and suddenly wala na tayong riders, wala na tayong delivery dahil dito at umabot tayo ng 200 pesos.